Hello friends, welcome to Shahi Cuisine. Today I am going to make Shahi Tukda. This is my Naniji's favorite recipe and she told me how to make this. So let's check what the ingredients are. The ingredients are milk, some slices of bread, water for making chashni, sugar. Here I have taken pistas and almonds, saffron and coarsely grinded cashews. For checking the quantities of these ingredients, you can check my description box. First of all, we will take 1.5 liter milk. It is our 1.5 liter milk and now we will let it boil. Now it has started boiling and we will add our kesar and mix it well. We have to cook this until this gets a half of the quantity that we had taken. Now we will keep it at the back side so that we can make sugar syrup. Now I am shifting it to the back burner. We have to stir it occasionally. Meanwhile, I will prepare our chashni. Now we are going to make our sugar syrup by adding 1 cup water and half cup sugar. Friends, we don't need to make a thick chashni like 1 tar chashni or 2 tar chashni. We are just going to make a sugar syrup by giving it 4 to 5 boils. Now it has started boiling. We will boil it for 3 to 4 minutes. Now it is ready and we will keep it aside to let it cool. Meanwhile, our rabri is being prepared and we will cut our bread into 2 triangles. Here I have cut the bread into triangular pieces. Now they are ready to fry. Now heat the oil. Now we have to start frying our bread. We have to fry it until it gets golden brown. Now our breads are ready and we'll take them out. Similarly, we will fry all of our breads. Now our rabri has half of the size of the quantity which we had taken, and I will add our coarsely grinded cashews and mix it well. Now I am adding half cup sugar. Friends, we don't need to add much sugar, as we are adding sugar syrup also, and mix it well. Friends, we don't need to add mawa or milk powder. We need this type of natural rabri only. It should neither be thick nor be too liquid. Friends, we had kept this rabri for 2 hours in the refrigerator, and now as you can see it has become thick. Now we will start assembling our shahi tukda. For that, first we will dip our bread into the sugar syrup that we had prepared. Here, as you can see, one by one dip all the breads into the sugar syrup. Now our bread is ready for shahi tukda. Now we pour our rabri. Now we will garnish it with our pistas and almonds. Wow, it is looking very yummy and tempting. Everyone must try this recipe. If you like my recipe, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.